Hello kids, let's learn some colors in reading, writing, ABCD. Okay, first time आपको इस कलर नेम सिखाऊंगा, then ABCD रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग कर लेंगे. ओके, ग्रीन कलर, येलो कलर, वायलेट कलर, रेड कलर, सी ग्रीन कलर, व्हाइट कलर, ब्लैक कलर, लाइट पिंक कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, ब्राउन कलर, pink color, sky blue color, light green color. A. This is the first letter A, capital letter A. A for apple, A for apple. B. This is letter B. B for banana, B for banana. C. This letter name is C. C for cow, C for cow. D. This letter name is D. D for dog, D for dog. E. This is letter E. E for elephant, E for elephant. F. This letter name is F. F for fan, F for fan. G. This letter name is G. G for grapes, G for grapes. H. This is letter H. H for hen, H for hen. I. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J. J for jackfruit, J for jackfruit. K. K for king, K for king. L. L for lion, L for lion. M. M for mango, M for mango. N. N for nest, N for nest. O. O for orange, O for orange. P. P for pen, P for pen. Q. Q for queen, Q for queen. R. R for rat, R for rat. S. S for sun, S for sun. T. T for tiger, T for tiger. U. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V. V for vegetable, V for vegetable. W. W for watermelon, W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray, X for X-ray. Y. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. फिर से A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.